Just do it, we don't have any more budget.
Bruh.
So, Mr. Dev, you can implement this login script now. So I'm going on my journey and we'll see when I'm back. Okay, boss, I have this super secure implementation of a JSON web token. We could use that. Nah, it's just a small little customer. Just hardcode it, no problem. Fast. But boss, we can't do it like this. This is insecure. If someone gets in our code, just do it. We don't have any more budget. Wait, if you are a C# developer, this video will also work for you, even if it's visualbasic.net. So don't panic. But maybe I'll do a videos especially for C#, but for search purposes. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are talking about some enormous security issues many developers face when they are beginning, or when, well, like in the intro, some guys do like not really care. Maybe it's the time they are facing, or it's the budget. And yeah, in this tutorial I will show you what's the problem about that. So I prepared this little app in the background for you. Let me just show you what this looks like. So we can enter user, password, press login, get a message that we didn't succeed in logging in. Then we can re-enter like big U user, and we get inside the main component of our app. I mean, showing dialogs like this nowadays isn't really up to date, and you should avoid it if possible. There are some cases where you can use, or dialogs are like more or better, but I would say you should really depend on switching views out instead of showing dialogues. But that depends on your use case, your customer, or your preferences for yourself. So let's now focus on the code itself. Mainly you have to focus on that button login sub and the check login function, which I defined here. So in the button login, we're actually using the check login function, which takes a user and a password as an argument. We're inverting the result, so we can use that early return here, means messaging to the user and returning from that function. Then there is this successfully submitted flag, which is basically for handling the multiple usage of forms in this current .NET thingy here, but this isn't really relevant at the point, so ignore it for now. Then we are creating a new instance of that main form, showing that form and closing it again, the current form, login form. So in the next step, we are checking that login function. So there is the main problem. We are hard coding the user credentials inside the code. So these strings will be visible when the finalized project or the final program is deployed. And it doesn't matter if those are FTP credentials or like database credentials in a connection string or anything like that. The question which now arises is, how can we spy into those credentials? And here's the thing. It's not even difficult, and it comes basically with .NET ready available. Wait one more time. If you enjoy my content and this provides any value to you, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, check the notification bell, and push me in that algorithm by liking my videos. But now, let's continue this episode. This tool is called ILDESM, Intermediate Language Disassembler. You can find the tool, in my case, under C program files x86, Microsoft SDKs, Windows, then a specific version number, then bin and netfx for .8 tools. It can slightly vary depending on your setup, but mostly you will find it there. So, well, we can go ahead and just start it. Then it looks like this. Click on File, Open. I know it's German, but well, it's pretty easy. So click on File, Open, and choose the corresponding DLL file to your like exe file. So we're gonna choose this here, and we can see now the parsed IL, so intermediate language code. Let's now take a deeper look into that file. Go ahead, open that node over here, go to form login, and you will sure find your check login function. Double click it, And then you will see this little pop-up and damn, there are our credentials. Congratulations, you got hacked. Right now, you should understand that saving or hard coding credentials inside your client code is by far not a good idea. Everyone who's got that code can actually convert it like some sort of and see what's behind it. Even if you're using algorithms or things like obfuscating, means hiding or making the code less readable, won't help you securing your app except for making it some sort of hackers like take longer time to do so, but it won't avoid it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like to push me a bit in the algorithm and see you next time. Bye bye.